All those charges were misdemeanor charges prior to this charge. I've never had a felony charge on my record. Will that make...
You got one now, and if you share this one, okay?
At the time of his arrest Friday night on an aggravated kidnapping charge, Graham Dunn was already a wanted man, an active warrant in Dallas County, probation violations, and 3 pending cases in North Carolina. Records show he agreed to 18 months probation in May 2025 as part of a deferred adjudication agreement in a 2023 family violence case out of Farmers Branch, Texas. He's accused of forcing his girlfriend to the ground and squeezing her neck and throat. Right here in his probation conditions, an order to stay in North Carolina, where records show he has family.
You're not entitled to it.
Joe Venus is a criminal defense attorney not affiliated with any of Dunn's cases.
It's usually the opposite, where they say you need to stay here so I can monitor you. But when someone's on probation, they can transfer.
Another condition of Dunn's probation: don't commit any crimes. Yet charging documents show just 10 days after he was put on probation in Dallas, he was issued a criminal summons for false imprisonment in Wilmington, North Carolina. 3 months later, he was arrested again in North Carolina for secret peeping. And just days after that, Dunn was arrested again on sexual battery and assault charges, but was able to post an $11,000 bond. All 3 arrests in North Carolina, seemingly violations of his probation and his deferred adjudication agreement. In October, Dallas County prosecutors filed a motion to revoke his probation and convict him of the 2023 assault charge. Records show an arrest warrant was served in November. Yet once back in Dallas, he was allowed to post a $2,500 bond on the probation violation. How does a pattern of violating probation not disqualify you from getting a bond?
Well, so there's 2 different types of probation in Texas. There's what we call the straight probation, and then there's deferred adjudication. If someone's on deferred adjudication, under the law, they are entitled to a bond.
But then, on January 21st, Dunn's arrested by SMU police for evading arrest, which prosecutors claim violated his previous bond conditions. Days later, a new warrant issued for Dunn's arrest, yet police wouldn't catch up with him until Friday in Galveston, when he's accused of kidnapping a 12-year-old girl and driving her to the Galveston Beach Hotel. It's here investigators say the victim told them Dunn gave her pills and touched her sexually, recording some of the crimes on his phone. At his bond hearing, Dunn downplaying his previous charges.
All those charges were misdemeanor charges prior to this charge. I've never had a felony charge on my record. Will that make...
You got one now, and if you share this one, okay?